it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful day. Today I have an unboxing for you from Temu. Yes. So I purchased these with my own money, and I've had them lying around for quite some time, since before I went on holiday even, I think. And I thought I'd unbox them with yourselves today because I was going to do a cross-stitch video, but once again, the heat has just got to me a bit too much today. So, anyway, we're still in the middle of this horrific heat wave here in the UK, and it's really not nice, guys, really not nice. But anyway, before I start the unboxing, if I could ask you to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit that little notification bell, which will notify you of my future video uploads. Okay, so I've got 3 to show you today. Okay, so let's get started. So this is a little snack size, and I saw this one and I absolutely fell in love with it. It is so super cute. Let's get my little straightener tool out. It's been so hot today, I have really struggled even diamond painting. It's been a nightmare. Right, okay, so we get our standard toolkit, which is green boat, pink pen, and a little bit of wax. That's all you would get with everything that needs diamond painting, basically. We'll have this as a standard kit, okay? So, as you can see, it's so cute, guys. I love this. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh. Yes, I have to have that one. Because I do like my little dinky sizes as well. It's a mummy duck, I think, or mummy swan, maybe. No. Is that a swan? I'm going to go with a swan. A mummy swan and a baby swan, and it's just so cute. It really is. It's just adorable. So adhesive is really good. Very shiny canvas. It's got that sparkling in the canvas once again. I'm just going to try and get some of these creases out. This one has 13 colours, full drill, and it's only a little 20 by 20 centimetres. Okay, but I can tell by looking at it that it's probably about 15 centimetres of the diamond painting. Let's have a look. Yeah, 15.5 centimetres. Okay. By 15.5, yes, is the diamond painting area. Okay, so yes, look, what an adorable little image. I mean, wow, guys, just wow. It's so super stinking cute, excuse me. So 13 colours. We have the 2 DMC codes there either side, and we have a gorgeous thumbnail. Print is really good, as you can see, really nice and clear. And that's a thumbnail of what it should look like once completed. I mean, isn't it just so cute? It's lovely. Cuteness overload for sure. Okay. So, 13 colours. Let me check out these beautiful diamonds now. I love looking at the diamonds, but if you want, you can skip past this part and go on to the next diamond painting. But me personally, I like to check out the colours and the diamonds, etc. Oh, we've got a loose red one there. Okay. I'm wondering if we have a split bag. No, we don't, and it's a completely different colour that's not even in here. So let's firstly check that code is the same as the code up here. It is. Yep. Okay, and then let's zoom you up so we can look at the quality. So let's just turn that on, that's better. Lovely purple or lilac even. A greyish blue there. Another lilac. A pink. Sort of like a creamy, really light pink there. Navy blue. A peachy colour. Another pink. Another pink. Another pink. Another pink. A purple. And a bag of white. So diamonds look really good, really nice. Lovely. Okay, I'll just turn that light off, that's better. Yes, very nice indeed. Okay, as usual, I will link all the products shown in today's video in the video description box, along with any discount codes that I have, if I have any, which for Temu I won't. And I will let you know at the end of the video in the summary the prices that I paid for them, which will probably differ if you want to buy them, because with Temu prices go all over the place, up, down, left, right, sideways, back to front, you name it. So that's just Temu. Okay, so hold on a second, I'll put this one away and I will get the next canvas out. Hold on a second. Okay, next item now, 30 by 30 centimetres. And I got this one purely because the colours were just so vibrant. They were screaming out to me, quite literally. Wow. This is a very colourful image of sunflowers. And it has 25 colours in this one. It does look like it could be true to size as well. So I'm going to give it a measure. Canvas is nice and soft. We do get a bit of an upgraded kit with this one. This one comes with a free placer, multi-placer on the end of the pink pen and some baggies to store your leftover diamonds. And I think, let's see if I can see, yeah, just one piece of wax there, but yeah, that's a bit of an upgrade. And this canvas is very soft actually. It's very nice, very nice. Okay, I think I will just give it adhesive is really good. We have DMC codes on this one. And the creases in the canvas are really not too bad at all, actually. Possibly because it is such a soft canvas, maybe. There. So I'm not getting all the image in, so I'm going to lift you up just ever so slightly higher. There we go. That's a bit better. So as I said, we have two legends either side. We have two thumbnails either side as well. And very good adhesive, very soft canvas. And it's just beautiful. I just want to give it a quick measure. Very vibrant. If you like colourful images, then this is the one for you, most definitely. 25 colours. It's a lot for 30 by 30. This one's measuring in at 25, give or take, maybe 25.7 centimetres. Yes. So, yeah. It looks like it could have been true to size, but okay, so this way it's 25 and a half actually, this way. Let me just check that measurement. Okay, I'm going to go with 25 and a half centimetres. Okay? Excuse me. So yes, that is the next image. I will zoom you up now so you can see the drill area. As you can see, it's very clear. The symbols are made up of alphabetical and numerical. That's all really. Yes, we don't have any funky symbols. Thank the Lord for that. I didn't say, but the symbols on the other one, the 20 by 20, were, sorry, I've got the fan blowing here, guys, were alphabetical, all alphabetical on the two little swans. So, yeah, very cute, that one is. And this one's adorable too. So there's all our DMC codes. And that's a thumbnail of what it should look like. Yes, very vibrant. Okay. But yes, it's a simple image with just a couple of sunflowers with a very colourful background going on. But I really like these types of images. So let's have a look at the lovely diamonds. Okay. Wow, lots of colours here, lots of colours. Just turn that over and then zoom you in. Okay, browns, blues, purple, an orange, creamy orange, brown, blue, pink, pinks again, orange, blue, blue, pink. It's like a dark green, that one. Okay. Magenta colour, a red, another blue, a yellow, another yellow, gorgeous green, rich red there, an orangey red there I'll go with, like a camouflage green, dark red, and then a light green. So it's all a really bright colour palette. There's hardly any dark colours in there. I mean, there's just a couple, but not many really. So it is just up my street, this one. So anyway, I'm going to pause you and put this one away. Hold on a second. Right, last one now. think this one is a 30 by 30 as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, standard kit once again. Another colourful image. We'll have a look at those quickly in a minute. It's took me all day to get motivated to film this, guys, because it's just been so unbearably hot. It's been really difficult, really difficult. Okay. So, 30 by 30 centimetres, 24 colours on this one, and it's a cute little turtle, sea turtle even. Let's see. Oh, adhesive is really good. Okay. And I have to say, they're not creased that badly at all, really, on this. I do apologise for Rio. She's blowing me kisses. She's not like the heat very much either. Got a crease there, but I'll sort that out later on. But yes, this is the image. Whoops, my fan keeps blowing it. There we go. Can you see, guys? There, it's a sea turtle. Yes. 24 colours. Symbols are alphabetical, numerical, and let's see. DMC codes are there. We have 2 legends, one either side. Both have thumbnails as well. And let's give it a little measure. 25.5 centimetres. Yeah, 25.5 centimetres. So a little bit bigger than the usual 30 by 30s. 25.5. Okay, let me zoom you up now so we can have a look at the drill area. Whoops, there we go. There we go. Very nice and clear. Small though, so for me I would definitely need my magnifying glasses for this one. At this point my microphone ran out of battery, so I'm afraid I'm going to have to do a voiceover for the remainder of the video. So this is a lovely thumbnail, which as you can see is very vibrant and colourful. Beautiful turtle in the middle of the sea surrounded by love hearts and other beautiful gorgeousness. Okay, so this is the colour palette that we're looking at now of the diamonds. Blues, purples and oranges. And they look really good condition too. Dark red, greens, dark pink colour there. Bright yellow. Very vibrant colours on this one, so 2 shades of different colours of green, a mustard yellow, another blue, dark navy blue there, another dark blue, sort of like a really light whitish blue there. It's got a hint of blue on it. A teal blue. Another blue. Camouflage green there. Pink. Like a orangey red there. Very nice. Then another blue shade, yes. And then a creamy white, a pink, and then a yellow. So now these are the prices that I paid for them. So for the gorgeous 20 by 20 swan, you can see I paid £2.38p and $2.97. And that's a full drill, that one. In fact, they're all full drills. So for the 30 by 30 full drill turtle swimming in the sea, it was £2.98, $3.71. And remember, these are the prices that I paid for them. You might pay more or less depending on Temu on that day. So for the gorgeous sunflower 30 by 30 full drill was £3.48p, $4.34. So thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing. Oh, sorry it's been a bit all over the place, but the heat has just been a bit too much for me. And my favourite one is definitely this swan in the middle, most definitely. Even though it's cute, it's small and cute and all the rest of it, it's my favourite because it's just way too adorable. Anyway, please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit the little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. If you are in the UK or anywhere in the world actually that is having extreme temperatures of heat at the moment, please try to stay cool, hydrated, look after your fur babies and your babies in general, because it is very, very hot here in the UK, and it's just very intense, very intense. Hopefully though, it should cool down by the middle of next week. Fingers crossed anyway. Anyway, take care of yourselves and take care of one another. And yes, have a lovely remainder of your weekend. And may God bless you all. Bye for now, guys. Bye.